Pandemonium on JISCO ALPART train tracks in St. Elizabeth yesterday as protesting residents used their bodies to block the movement of the trains. Transportation of alumina from the plant was halted for several hours. The residents are protesting against the dust nuisance from the plant and the lack of water in their community. TVJ's Anthony Lugg, or rather Andrew Laidley, has the details.
Some standing, others sitting, and a few people getting more comfortable on the tracks. They say they are willing to sleep on the tracks until they get a response from JISCO. The residents say they decided to take drastic measures after being neglected by G1 Iron and Steel Company JISCO on several occasions.
I guess the people are out of patience and they have to do this, they have to resort to something like this. But I don't believe we have to be resort to things like that if there was good communication between the company and the citizens. But it doesn't seem like they want to have anything settled. You know what this reminds me of? In the 60s, something like this happened at Darling Street of Kingston with Chinese and black people.
They argue that JISCO has left them dying for thirst, claiming that the dust from the plant pollutes the water in their tank, and to make matters worse, JISCO has stopped trucking water to their communities, leaving them with no potable water.
When we catch water from the house, when we drink it, you drink the aluminum, you drink every kind of pollution where I come from. So we have to lock off that. Turn the water off at the house. We can't get the water for use. And we can't get liquid water from down on the plant where we use to buy from the truck them. Then give the truck them water.
The protest attracted the presence of the Public and Community Relations Manager at JISCO, Julian Keane, who promised that the company will be looking into the issues on Monday.
We didn't resolve all the issues this afternoon, but we have planned a meeting with the three stakeholders for Monday at the ALPART Sports Club to see if we can have further discussions with the best interest of solving the problems.
But the residents insist they won't back down until they have heard from the Chinese operators themselves.
Yeah, wait till management come to deal with it. This guy can't do nothing. Mr. King can't do nothing. So Mr. Public Relations Officer won't be moved. But we'll be here till tomorrow. Management we need.
The National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, says it has issued 15 environmental notices to JISCO since the Chinese company took over operations of ALPART in 2016. The regulatory agency says it has also advised the company to improve its community relations. However, JISCO has not indicated how it plans to fix the dust issues plaguing the residents and making them sick. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.